2020 Physics Past Question 3. The charge carriers of gases are A. Ions only, B. Electrons and holes, C. Electrons only, and D. Electrons and ions. Now, gases will only conduct electricity under low pressure and very high potential difference. A typical example of a setup where gases conduct electricity is in the discharge tube. Now, at this condition, when the gas is set under a low pressure and a high potential difference, these gases break into ions. Now, these ions might be negatively charged ions or positively charged ions, and also they break into free electrons. Now, these ions and electrons are responsible for the carrying of electricity, or for the carrying of the charge of the gas. So therefore, the charge carrier of gases are ions and electron, and that is option D. Now, electron and holes are the basic carriers of semiconductors. The hole is a positive carrier, while the electrons are the negative charge. But for gases, it is electron and ions. So option D is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.